Okay, can I just ask you about Starlink, which is Musk's satellite-delivered global internet connectivity system, and you've confirmed, look, it's not coming on to Ryanair. You've concerns about the drag of the antenna and the cost related to that. Elon Musk has written on X that you, Michael O'Leary, are misinformed in this, that he doubts you can even measure the difference in fuel use accurately, especially for short 1 hour flights, he says, where the incremental drag is basically zero. What do you say to that?
What Elon Musk knows about flights and drag would be zero. We've already had Boeing confirm we have to put an aerial antenna on top of the aircraft. Now, that will cost us, it's about a 2% fuel drag. Our fuel bill a year is $5 billion. It would cost us about $250 million a year. In other words, about an extra dollar for every passenger we fly. And the reality for us is, we can't afford those costs. Passengers won't pay for internet usage. If it's free, they'll use it, but they won't pay €1 each to use the internet. So we're not putting it on board. And I frankly wouldn't pay any attention to anything that Elon Musk puts on that cesspit of his called X. He was the guy who advocated getting Donald Trump elected. I would pay no attention whatsoever to Elon Musk. He's an idiot. Very wealthy, but he's still an idiot.
Do you have an X account, Michael?
No. I would not waste. I don't have any social media accounts. Thankfully, I'm too old to get involved in the cesspit that is social media. By the way, if we want to clean up social media or grok or any, there's one simple thing this government could do: take away the anonymity. Everybody on social media should be on social media using their own names.
And then we know
anonymity that allows
who these individuals are,
the paedophiles and all the other kind of deviants to operate there.
All right.
It is a mystery to me why any elected government allows anonymity on social media. If you want to go on social media, by all means, but publish the crap or the rubbish that you publish there under your own name.